Welcome back to Realty Solutions, your go-to channel for all things real estate. If you're serious about succeeding in the real estate industry, then today's video is a must-watch. We're diving deep into the incredible benefits of working with a real estate mentor. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our valuable content. Alright, let's get into it. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced investor, a real estate mentor can be a game changer for your career. Here's why. In the high-stakes world of New York City real estate, I've seen firsthand how a mentor can make or break an agent's career. It's not just about having someone to answer your questions, it's about having someone who's been there, done that, and can guide you through the emotional roller coaster, the tough negotiations, and the moments when you feel like giving up. First up, expert guidance. Real estate can be a complex field with ever-changing market trends, legal requirements, and investment strategies. A mentor provides invaluable insights from their own experiences, helping you navigate these complexities with confidence. Think about it like this. You wouldn't just jump into the deep end without knowing how to swim, right? You'd want someone there to teach you the ropes, show you the best techniques, and be there to guide you. That's what a mentor does in real estate. They've been through the ups and downs, the market crashes and the booms. They've seen it all and learned from their mistakes, so you don't have to. A good mentor will share their playbook, their strategies, and their secrets to success. They'll help you understand market analysis, property evaluation, and negotiation tactics. They'll teach you how to spot a good deal, how to avoid common pitfalls, and how to close deals like a pro. Having that kind of expert guidance by your side can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Look, I remember when I was starting out, I was lucky enough to have a few mentors who took me under their wing. They taught me the ins and outs of the business, introduced me to the right people, and showed me what it really took to succeed in this cutthroat industry. And let me tell you, their guidance was priceless. It's the reason I'm standing here today. Now, finding the right mentor can be a process. It's like finding the perfect apartment. You gotta kiss a lot of frogs before you find your Prince Charming. But trust me, when you find that mentor who aligns with your goals and your work ethic, it's a game changer. Remember, a good mentor isn't afraid to tell you what you need to hear, even if it's not what you want to hear. They'll push you to be your best, challenge your assumptions, and help you grow both professionally and personally. So, don't be afraid to put yourself out there, network, and find someone who can help you take your real estate game to the next level. Next, networking opportunities. A seasoned mentor has built a robust network over the years, from contractors to other investors and real estate agents. By connecting you with their network, your mentor can open doors that you might not even know existed. This industry is all about relationships, people. It's about who you know, who knows you, and who's willing to pick up the phone when you call. Now, your mentor, they've been around the block. They've spent years building their reputation, cultivating relationships, and becoming a trusted name in the industry. And when you work with them, you tap into that network. It's like getting an all-access pass to the hottest clubs in town. Suddenly, you're rubbing shoulders with the movers and shakers, the decision makers, the people who can make things happen. Need a reliable contractor who won't rip you off? Your mentor knows a guy. Looking for a lender who can give you a great rate? Your mentor can make an introduction. Want to get your hands on an off-market property that's not listed publicly? You guessed it, your mentor probably knows someone who's selling. These connections are invaluable. They can open doors to exclusive deals, provide you with inside information, and give you a competitive edge in a crowded market. Remember, it's not always what you know, but who you know. And with a mentor by your side, you'll have access to a network that's taken years to build. But it's not just about getting your foot in the door. Your mentor will also teach you how to network effectively, how to build relationships that last, and how to leverage those connections to your advantage. They'll show you how to work a room, how to make a lasting impression, and how to turn contacts into clients. Because in this business, your network is your net worth. Third, accountability and support. Let's face it, staying motivated and on track can be challenging. A mentor provides that crucial accountability, ensuring you stay focused on your goals and continuously make progress. We all need someone in our corner, someone who believes in us, someone who's not afraid to give us a little tough love when we need it. And that's what a mentor does. They hold you accountable to your goals, even when you're tempted to hit the snooze button or take the easy way out. They'll check in with you regularly, ask you tough questions, and make sure you're putting in the work. Because let's be real, real estate can be a grind. There are going to be long hours, late nights, and moments when you want to throw in the towel. But with a mentor by your side, you're less likely to give up. You've got someone who's cheering you on, someone who's been there before, someone who knows you're capable of achieving great things. They'll remind you of your why, your purpose, your drive for getting into the real estate game in the first place. And it's not just about pushing you harder. A good mentor is also there to offer support, guidance, and a listening ear when you need it most. They've been through the ringer themselves, so they understand the challenges you're facing. They can offer advice on how to handle difficult clients, how to navigate tricky negotiations, and how to stay positive when the market takes a downturn. Having that kind of support system in place can make all the difference in your real estate journey. It's like having a personal trainer for your career. They'll push you to your limits, celebrate your victories, and be there to catch you if you fall. So don't underestimate the power of accountability and support in this business. It can be the key to unlocking your full potential. Fourth, personalized learning. Unlike generic courses or books, a mentor tailors their advice and teaching to your specific needs, strengths, and weaknesses. Look, we're all different. We all have unique learning styles, goals, and areas where we excel or need a little extra help. And that's the beauty of mentorship. It's personalized. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Your mentor takes the time to get to know you, to understand your strengths and weaknesses, your aspirations and fears. Then, they tailor their guidance accordingly. They might spend more time teaching you about financial analysis if that's your weak point, or they might focus on developing your negotiation skills if that's where you need to improve. It's like having a custom-tailored suit made just for you. It fits perfectly, accentuates your best features, and makes you feel confident and ready to conquer the world. And that's what a mentor does for your real estate career. They provide you with the specific knowledge, skills, and strategies you need to succeed, based on your unique circumstances. Think about it this way. You wouldn't go to a general practitioner for heart surgery, would you? You'd want a specialist, someone who's an expert in their field and can provide you with the most effective treatment plan. Mentorship is the same way. You're getting personalized attention from someone who's been there, done that, and knows exactly what it takes to succeed in your specific niche. They'll share their secrets, their shortcuts, and their proven strategies for success, all tailored to your individual needs. And that kind of personalized learning is invaluable in an industry as competitive as real estate. And finally, increased confidence. Knowing that you have a seasoned professional in your corner gives you the confidence to take on bigger challenges and make bolder moves in your real estate career. Confidence is key in anything you do, but especially in real estate. When you believe in yourself, when you know you have the skills and the support to succeed, you're unstoppable. And that's what a mentor gives you, unwavering confidence. They believe in you, even when you doubt yourself. They see your potential, even when you can't. And they're there to remind you of your worth, even when you're feeling insecure. When you have a mentor, you're not just going it alone. You've got someone who's got your back, someone who's rooting for you, someone who's invested in your success. And that kind of support can make all the difference in the world. Suddenly, you're not afraid to take risks, to negotiate harder, to go after those big deals. You know that even if you stumble, you've got someone there to help you get back up, dust yourself off, and come back stronger than ever. That increased confidence will permeate every aspect of your real estate business. You'll be more persuasive in your pitches, more assertive in your negotiations, and more resilient in the face of challenges. And that, my friends, is a recipe for success. So, if you're looking to fast-track your success in real estate, finding a mentor might be the best investment you ever make. And remember, for more tips, strategies, and insights into the real estate world, be sure to subscribe to Realty Solutions and hit that notification bell. Finding the right mentor can be a game changer, just like those incredible New York City apartments that take your breath away. They're out there, and trust me, they're worth the search. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.